Good day. For today's video, we are going to discuss Music and Arts 7, Lesson 2 of Matatag curriculum. Contemporary and emerging music and arts of the Philippines and the Southeast Asia and their cultural influences. Learning objectives. Review. Post the picture. Facts about performing arts. For reference only. Facts about visual arts. Lesson purpose. Activity 2. Fact-finding. Characteristics of performing in visual arts. Performing arts versus visual arts. For references only. Performing arts. Popular music. Top 10 popular singers in Southeast Asian country. Tongchai McIntyre of Thailand. Siti Nurhaliza of Malaysia. Lay Pugh of Myanmar. Sun Tung MTP of Vietnam. Sarah Geronimo of the Philippines. Alexandra Bounzue of Laos. Stephanie Sun of Singapore. Maria Victoria Borges of Timor-Leste. Zul Faden of Brunei. Anggun of Indonesia. Theater arts. Theater arts of Southeast Asian country. Lakhon Basak of Cambodia. Nong Yai of Thailand. Anak Datu of the Philippines. Ketoprak and Ludruk of Indonesia. Wayang Melayu of Malaysia. Kai Luong of Vietnam. Wayang Kulit of Singapore. Zat P of Myanmar. Dance. Dance of Southeast Asian country. Chibi Chibi of East Timor. Aduk Aduk of Brunei. Lam Vong of Laos. Bangda Salid Sit of Philippines. Zoe of Vietnam and Thailand. Rado Jaro of Indonesia. Yain of Myanmar. Fan Dance of Singapore. Aspara Dance of Cambodia. Joget of Malaysia. Visual arts. Weaving. Vocabulary. Architecture. Architecture in Southeast Asia. Activity 3. The Artist. Contemporary Artist. The top 10 contemporary artists who shaped Southeast Asian art. Yayoi Kusama of Japan. Han Sai-por of Singapore. Ai Weiwei of China. Dadang Kristanto of Indonesia. Werkrik Tiravania of Thailand. Pasita Abad of the Philippines. Umabajara, Mahir Ismail of Malaysia. Pen Robert of Cambodia. Li Wen of Singapore. Tiffany Chung of Vietnam. I hope you learned a lot from our video presentation and apply the information from the video to your activities in the modules. Stay tuned for more. God bless.